Well, good morning. William Chambers here. This morning we're going to assess the damage from a windstorm we had yesterday. Now, I've never in my life seen winds like that weren't during a thunderstorm. Like, there was a thunderstorm kind of to the north here. It missed us, but we had winds over 100 kilometers an hour. The reason I'm looking at this wagon here, the wagon was parked over there, just the other side of the granary, and the wind actually blew it around here, and it must have been traveling some speed, because as you can see, it's on the other side of the guide wire, so it would have had to either bounce over it, which it kind of looks like it did. Got a few old beans in it. It actually hit the manure bucket and wedged it against this guide wire. I don't think it hurt anything up there. But this is just this really isn't damage. It didn't really hurt anything here. The worst of the damage is over at the other farm, and I'll show you when I get over there. Well, here we are at the other barn. I'm just going to take you upstairs and show you the damage up there. Now, I had to come up here last night and put a bit of straw down. We got some new cattle yesterday, and I could see the sheets of steel lifting. And it was just like a ripple effect all the way along here. And my boss comes up and says, well, maybe you better come downstairs. You never know if the sheets will pull off. Well, just as he said that, the first sheet pulled off, and then it was just a chain reaction all down the line there. There's sheets of steel over in the field that way, in the yard here, in the courtyard where the cattle are. So we're gonna have to get this covered up before it rains. We got a lot of straw up here yet. So I'll take you outside and show you what it looks like out there. Well, there's one sheet there. I don't even know if I can get that on the camera. Not too well. Oops. Fall in the manure pile. I'll take a look over here. Yep, pulls the nails. Sometimes pulls the nails right out, or it'll rip a hole in the steel. Oh, there you go. A couple of sheets still up there. That wind was just insane. Now, a tornado went through here in 1979 and literally destroyed everything. So to feel a wind like that, that's gotta bring back some memories. Even sheets on the side of the barn here ripped off. We can fix this ourselves. Yeah, I can see it was pulling. Yep, pulling the nails right out. Isn't that something? Holy cow. Wood was kind of rotten, but geez. If you get hit by one of them flying, it's just like a big guillotine. Uh-oh. There's a tree down in the over the fence back there. Yeah, I think so. Well, there's another job to do, but well, we'll probably spend the day doing some cleaning up, and we got a bit of work to do on the planter yet. We'll get that done, and hopefully the start of the week we'll be in the field.